record on this thing and it didn't bloody record, and I'm fucked off. You've missed half my fucking unboxing. Because I got this. You missed me fucking unboxing this fucking thing. And you missed me unboxing this Generation fucking X38. All because it fucking didn't fucking record properly. Still, there's still one left to fucking unbox. So at least there's something to unbox. I pressed fucking record, I know I fucking did. I fucking pressed record. There you go, Spider-Woman 9 and Spider-Woman 10 variant edition. Who's it by? Who's the variant by? Didn't really care about the variant, just as long as it was the yeah. It's wrong limb variant. Yes, a wrong limb variant. Well, wrong limb and a real silver. No, it's just these two complete the story that was in nullified basically in the King in Black. That's why I got those. I'm probably going to have to get the first volume as well, but we'll see. We'll see, but yeah, I got them anyway. Spider-Woman 9 and 10, and Generation X 38, and this is what I got today, but you missed it because this fucking thing fucked up. Well, as you can see, if you saw the other one, you can tell that where'd I put it? Hold on. This can go and wash this now as well. As you can see, look, that's the old one. You can see how fucking faded it got. So yeah, see how long this lasts before it fades. Right, I'm going to get out of here, so I will see you all later. Tomorrow I've got a fucking long journey there and back to Norwich and the photo shoot. Those photos will be going on Buy Me a Coffee, and they're going to be cosplay ones, not rude ones, but yeah, we'll see how it goes anyway. I'll see you later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell until it's destroyed. And join me on my journey to 500. We're now at 301, 199 to go. I got 99 problems that ain't subscribers is one of them. Peace, I'm out of here.